Welcome to Blank Slate Ventures. Let's explore the top venture funding deals from April 1st to April 7th. In the late stage and growth sectors, Alsym Energy, a Woburn, MA-based non-flammable battery technology developer, raised $78 million in Series C funding from General Catalyst, Tata Group, Drads Capital, Tomvest Ventures, and Thrive Capital. Exos, a Gradignan, France-based advanced thermal system developer, raised $38 million in growth funding from Bpifrance and Meridium. Bioconsortia, a Davis, CA-based microbes for agriculture platform, raised $15 million in growth funding from Otter Capital Partners. In the early-stage arena, Onego Bio, a Helsinki, Finland-based animal-free egg white protein producer, raised $40 million in Series A, funding from Nordic Ninja, Agronomics, Business Finland, EIT Food, Holdix, and other investors. Burnbot, a San Francisco, CA-based wildfire mitigation platform, raised $20 million in Series A, funding from Regen Ventures, AmFam Ventures, Blue Forest Asset Management, Convective Capital, Lower Carbon, and other investors. Iceberg Data Lab, a Paris, France-based environmental data solutions platform, raised $10 million in Series A funding from Berengia, AXA Investment Managers, and MAF Impact. Polar Night Energy, a Tampere, Finland-based high-temperature heat storage developer, raised $8 million in seed funding from Holdix, PC Redig and CO Impact, and Steven Industries. Amobia, a San Francisco, CA-based green ammonia developer, raised $4 million in seed funding from Starlight Ventures, Collaborative Fund, Chevron Technology Ventures, and Plug and Play. Orchard Robotics, a Seattle, WA-based precision farming platform, raised $4 million in seed funding from General Catalyst, Humba Ventures, Soma Capital, Correlation Ventures, VU Venture Partners, and other investors. Sparkcell, a Cambridge, UK-based biodegradable pigment manufacturer, raised $3 million in seed funding from Circular Innovation Fund, Future Communities Capital, Joyance Partners, Catapult, PDS Venture, and Snowcap VC. Basigo, a Nairobi, Kenya-based EV bus developer, raised $3 million in seed funding from CFAO. Alterno, a Singapore City, Singapore-based sand battery thermal energy storage developer, raised $2 million in seed funding from Antler, Glocalink Singapore, Impact Square, the Radical Fund, and Touchstone Partners. Ironic Biotech, a Lund, Sweden-based bioavailable iron for food platform, raised $1 million in pre-seed funding from Nordic Foodtech VC. In the other category highlighting diverse funding avenues, MN8 Energy, a New York City, NY-based renewable energy project developer, raised $325 million in funding from Mercuria and Ridgewood Infrastructure. Taurus, a Leahy, UT-based residential battery technology company, raised $67 million in equity and debt from Origin Ventures, Cummings Foundation, Epic Ventures, Iconic Capital, Larry H. Miller Management Corporation, and other investors. Ion Clean Energy, a Boulder, CO-based liquid amine CO2 capture tech developer, raised $45 million in corporate strategic funding from Chevron New Energies and Carbon Direct. New funds making waves include Quinbrook Infrastructure. Partners, a London, UK-based investment firm, held a final close of its $600 million fund that invests in solar and storage projects. Maniv Mobility, a Tel Aviv, Israel-based investment firm, held a final close of its $140 million fund that invests in early-stage transportation and mobility companies. Empirical Ventures, a Bristol, UK-based investment firm, raised $10 million for its fund that invests in deep tech companies. And that concludes our roundup of this week's venture funding deals. Remember to like and subscribe for the latest in startup news. Thanks for tuning in.